Welcome sa zipline.com. This video ay itutuloy natin yung ating series about absolute value inequalities. No? So I think this will be the second to the last video kasi ang susunod na video natin ay summary na no, nitong absolute value inequalities. No? Meron tayong, kung napanood yung mga previous videos, meron tayong absolute value equation sa first part tapos the second part was about absolute value inequality. So ngayon, hindi na ako masyadong mag-explain. No? Dapat expected ko niya na na-master nyo na yung absolute value inequalities. And dapat pa-solve na natin itong inequalities na ito ng mabilis. No? So for example, we have the absolute value of 5x plus 1 is less than 10. So pag ang strategy lang is to isolate yung expression na may absolute values. So since meron tayong plus 1 dito sa labas, no? So tatanggalin natin ito by subtracting 1. So magiging absolute value of 5x plus 1 and then plus 1 and then minus 1, no? Para matanggal yung plus 1 dito sa labas is less than 10 minus 1. So pag nag-minus 1 tayo dito, syempre magma-minus 1 din tayo dito, no? By properties of inequality. So mawawala na to, ang matitira dito is 5x plus 1, no? Kasi yung 1 dito sa labas ay maging 0 na yan, which is less than 9. No? So pag ganito na, this is case 1, no? Kung naalala niyo yung mga previous videos natin, magiging 5x plus 1 is less than 9 but greater than negative 9. No? And again, tatanggalan natin yung 1 dito. No? Para matanggal to, magma-minus 1 tayo. So, magiging 5x plus 1 minus 1, no? Is less than 9 minus 1. Magma-minus 1 tayo sa lahat ng sides. O sa lahat ng expressions. So, magiging negative 9 minus 1. No? And negative 9 minus 1 is negative 10. Tapos yung nasa gitna natin, mawala na itong 1 minus 1, magiging 0 na to. So, mangyari magiging 5x na yan. And this one, magiging 9 minus 1 is 8, no? So, para x na lang matira, para din siyang equation, no? Kailangan x yung matitira. So, divide natin by 5 yung lahat ng expression. So, magiging negative 10 divided by 5 is less than 5x divided by 5, which is less than 8 divided by 5. So, ang negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Tapos, ito magiging x na lang yan. 5x over 5. At ito magiging 8 over 5. No, so, ang graph niyan magiging between negative 2 tsaka 8 over 5. No? So, if this is 0, this is negative 1, this is negative 2. 1, 2. Ano ang 8 over 5? 1 and 3/5 yan, di ba? 8 over 5. So, 1 times 5 is 5, 3. So, 1 and 3/5. So, mga nandito siya. No? Okay? Pero, less than lang siya, wala siyang equal sign. So, bilog yan. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi kasama yung 8 over 5 na to at yung negative 2, hindi siya kasama. So, bilog lang yan and we graph by drawing a thick line, no? from negative 2, not including negative 2 up to 8 over 5. No? So kung gusto nyo yung interval notation, no? Ang interval notation niya is negative 2. No? Negative 2 and 8 over 5. No? So yung parentheses, ibig sabihin hindi kasama yung dalawang numbers na yan, no? Negative 2 tsaka 8 over 5. Ang kasama lang all the numbers in between, no? So, meron tayong ano niyan, no? Kung hindi kayo familiar dito sa interval notation, meron tayong ano niyan, meron tayong series, no? Hanapin niyo lang interval notation sa Zipline YouTube channel. Okay, so that's it. Let's proceed to our second number. So, medyo may fraction siya ng konti, no? But if you know how to solve equations, no? Master na ng equations pagdating nyo dito. So, dapat masosolve nyo na to. Kasi halos pareho lang naman yung equations and inequalities, yung proseso ng pag-solve. No? We look for the value of x. Again, this is, we isolate the expression with absolute value. So, tatanggalin natin itong minus 7. So, magiging absolute value of x over 3 minus 1 minus 7. Magpa-plus 7 tayo para mawala siya. So, greater than or equal to negative 5 plus 7 din. So, magiging absolute value of x over 3, no? Minus 1. So, 0 na to. Minus 7 tsaka plus 7 is greater than or equal to 2. No? So, negative 5 plus 7 is 2. And then, pag ganito na yung expression, no? Napag-aralan na natin from the previous videos, ay tatanggalin na natin to. X over 3 minus 1 is less than or equal to negative 2, or, no? Kung hindi nyo alam to, panoorin nyo yung previous video kung paano naging ganito, no? Or, x over 3 minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. So, mag plus 1 ako dito, magiging x over 3. Minus 1 plus 1, magiging 0 is less than or equal to negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. So, nag plus 1 lang ako, no? Kaya siya nakuha to. Plus 1 ako on both sides. And then, I multiply both sides by 3. I'll have x is less than or equal to negative 3. So, times 3, makakancel yung 3x na matitira times 3. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Tapos yung sa or part ko, dito sa kabila, magpa-plus 1 din ako dito. So, x over 3 minus 1 plus 1 is greater than or equal to. Pag nag-plus 1 ako dito, magpa-plus 1 din ako dito, magiging 3 siya. So, magiging, again, I multiply both sides by 3, I'll have x is greater than or equal to 9. No? So, pag minultiply ko ito ng 3, makakancel siya. X na lang matitira. Pag minultiply ko ito ng 3, magiging 9 siya. So, yung ating solution, this is 0, this is 9, and this is maybe negative 3. So, less than or equal to negative 3. X is less than or equal to negative 3. So, from here, less than siya eh. So, papunta siya dito sa kaliwa. Lahat ng numbers. Kasama yung negative 3 kasi may equal sign siya dito. Less than or equal. And greater than or equal to 9. So, yan. Yan ang graph niya. Ibig sabihin, in interval notation, yung solution natin is from negative infinity up to negative 3. And ang gagamitin natin ay square bracket dahil kasama yung negative 3. And then union, pag magkahiwalay, nilalagay natin union. 9, no? Kasama yung 9, so we use the square bracket instead of parenthesis dun sa unang number. Up to infinity. Ang infinity, palagi siyang parenthesis yung katabi niya. Okay, so yan yung ating solution. Okay, so that's it for absolute value inequalities. I hope meron ka natutunan sa video na to. In the next video, ang gagawin natin is isa-summarize natin kung ano man yung natutunan natin sa absolute value inequalities. Maraming salamat. By the way, bago tayo magtapos, gusto ko yung invite sa facebook.com/sit9ph yung ating Facebook page. And then, of course, yung ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sit9ph. No? Pwede kayong mag-like, mag-share ng mga videos natin. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.